Behind me is the Chateau De Gizeux, one of the French chateaus in the Loire Valley. What's really interesting about this chateau is that it holds a fascinating piece of French Revolution history. Let's take a look inside. This is the Francois I room at the Chateau De Gizeux. What's absolutely remarkable about this room is that in around 1610, the owners of the chateau commissioned Italian painters to paint these incredible paintings on the walls of this room, along with the decorations around the fireplace. A lot of the paintings depict scenes from Greek mythology, as well as floral patterns to bring some light and brightness to the room. During the French Revolution, when chateaus like this, who were owned by nobility or had connections to nobility, were very easy targets for those sympathetic to the revolution, were often ransacked and looted. And so to protect these incredible paintings on the walls of this room, the owner of the chateau at the time, Julie Constantin de la Loire, along with some help from the villagers of the neighboring town of Gizeux, had fake walls put up all over the room to hide and protect the paintings that are here. Quite possibly even more interesting is how they were discovered. So the great-grandfather of the current owners of the chateau, when he was just a little boy, was playing in this room with a little spinning top and happened to break a piece of that fake wall. Underneath, what the family then quickly discovered were the remnants of all these beautiful paintings. And then what followed was the painstaking process of restoring this room to its original condition after those paintings were discovered, to the point where now it's looking quite beautiful with all these paintings that were originally painted around 1610. And again, this shows the lengths that a lot of people went to try and preserve French history and culture during the time of the French Revolution.